Hi, Ocean Polinians! Welcome to A Piece at Home, where every piece in our home can be a piece of artwork.
I am Sir Jason Rivera.
And I'm Sir J.V. Centeno from the MAPE department. So today, we will feature how to create recycled pots and how to plant.
And our theme for today is entitled, Ugaling Magtanim, Wastong Nutrisyo'y Aanin.
And here is Miss Jessie Marco to elaborate us with our theme.
Good day, Ocean Polinians and peace to all. I'm Miss Jessie Marco from True to Life Education, the TLE and ICT Department. Welcome to our session. In collaboration with the MAPE Department, we came up with an activity that will help you learn how to improve your health, save money from groceries, get outdoor activities, enhance your creativity, and relieve your stress. This activity is all about backyard gardening with the theme of Ugaliing Magtanim, Wastong Nutrisyo'y Aanhin. This activity has been proven to reduce stress, lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and decrease depression. Now, let's get to know more about gardening. Gardening is the practice of growing and planting plants. It is also the process of weeding, digging, and pulverizing the soil for growing and planting plants like flowers, vegetables, herbs, and ornamental plants. But what can gardening do to help with the coronavirus pandemic? Gardening has always been touted as a relaxing recreational activity that can provide great personal rewards. Gardening offers us a chance to be all in this together in a positive and a productive way. Since we have different kinds of gardening, we have school gardening, community gardening, and home gardening. The home gardening can be defined as a farming system that combines different physical, social, and economic functions on the area of the land around the family home. During this time, when many people are working from home and students learning from home, gardening can be an enjoyable and a positive family-inclusive activity to adopt which everybody can engage in. People of all ages can enjoy gardening, but children in particular will have a lot of fun and gain special benefits. Gardening is educational and develops new skills, including the sense of responsibility from caring the plants. Understanding that most of the plants needs water, sunlight, oxygen, and soil nutrients in order to survive. Self-confidence from achieving their goals and enjoying the food that they eat or they have grown. Love of the nature. Reasoning and discovery like plants will die from too much water. Cooperation and teamwork with the family. Nutrition from the vegetables. And of course, creativity. It is like using your imagination and unique ideas in finding new and exciting ways to grow food and create DIY pots for plants. Now, for today's activity, here are the following plants. For kinder to grade 3 is pechay. For grade 4 to grade 6 is kamatis. For grade 7 to grade 9 is okra. For grade 10 to grade 12 is siling labuyo. So while health, safety challenges, and restrictions are still in place, to help you get the satisfaction of producing your fresh vegetables straight from your DIY garden pots, here are a few tips and suggestions from the MAPE department.
Now, we will be using a recycled materials in our homes to make a recycled pot.
So meaning to say, we're going to use these materials?
Yes, Sir JB. Good thing is, we will help lessen our trash in our homes.
That's an excellent idea. Hitting two birds with one stone. We will lessen the trash in our homes. At the same time, we will be able to provide container for our plants.
Yes, you got it, sir.
So, should we start? I'm getting excited! How about you, sir?
Sir, I'm so excited.
But before we start, let's prepare first our material.
So this is our materials that we will be using our recycled pot. Use plastic bottles, scissors, wires, and other coloring materials.
Now that our materials are complete and prepared, let's get it on.
First, take the label off the bottle. Okay. Then, cut it so it is high enough for the roots to be off the bottom. Second, make a hole at the bottom. This will allow the water in the soil to drain freely, so adequate air would be available for the roots. While various kinds of plants have different drainage needs, you can tolerate sitting in the stagnant water. Third, make a handle to hang the pots on the wall and design it creatively.
So these are the examples of recycled pots. A recycled pot made from cup noodles.
Cycled pot made from wafer stick.
And a recycled pot made from plastic bottles. So we can use different coloring materials such as paint to make our recycled pots more creative or to make it more beautiful.
That's right, Sir Dave.
Now we can put our plants in our recycled pots just like this. Yes!
That's really an eco-friendly pot. I hope all your works are eco-friendly too. May I see how great are your works?
That's great! In this simple way, we can help our environment. Plus, we can make things useful in our daily lives.
But wait, Sir JB, don't forget the 3C. First, clean up your things. Second, clean up your surroundings. And third, clean up yourself. Always wash your hands.
So that our parents won't get mad.
Remember, if we can think about it, we can be courageous to do it.
Be outrageous to be an art genius.
And I am Sir Jason Rivera.
And I am Sir JB Centeno.
That will remind you that every piece in our home can be a piece of artwork. Goodbye! See you again!